We have to spend a moment to pray for those who are married, but they have a new problem. What's it? They don't have kids. That is your Jannah. Your sabr is your Jannah. Your patience is your Jannah. There are so many from amongst us whom Allah has blessed with a beautiful, loving spouse, but unfortunately no children. Do you accept that as what Allah has chosen for you? Accepting what Allah has chosen for you does not mean that you shouldn't try whatever you have to or can medically and other halal ways to get the children, to conceive, for example. It's permissible. You should try. There's no harm. Beyond a certain point, you might find it's a small medical matter. It may be. So your trial is also an ibadah. It's an act of worship. Why? Because the Prophet ﷺ has told us that it is part of the plan of Allah to want us to reproduce. So we have to spend a moment dedicated to those who don't have offspring. May Allah bless you with offspring. May Allah grant you sabr. I've become very sensitive to ask married couples, do you have kids? Sometimes that question, if they've been trying for 10, 15, 20 years, it becomes a point of sadness within the heart. So I've become a little bit sensitive. I try to ask the least questions. Unless I'm very close to you, then I would know. Some of us have been blessed with offspring, both boys and girls. So someone says, how many children do you have? And you might just say, so many boys, so many girls. Can I tell you how many I have? You want to know? MashaAllah, 7 girls. MashaAllah, and 2 boys. We thank Allah for that. I know one of my colleagues, he had a daughter and then another daughter and a 3rd daughter and a 4th daughter and a 5th daughter and a 6th daughter and a 7th daughter and an 8th daughter and a 9th daughter and a 10th daughter and a 11th daughter and a 12th daughter and a 13th daughter, and they were just daughters. MashaAllah. His name is Sheikh Asim al-Hakim. You might have heard that name, right? But Allah blessed him. He's blessed. And so are we. When you have males alone, you are blessed. When you have females alone, you are blessed. When you have male and female, you are blessed. And when you have neither male nor female, you are blessed in ways that perhaps you have not yet understood. Allah might have chosen you for something far greater. Go out and search. What's the purpose? What is it? Don't be angry and upset with Allah.